Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to allow picture-in-picture mode in YouTube. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you need to go to is your Play Store. Search for YouTube. Alright, once you've found YouTube, make sure you updated it to the latest version. And then once this is done, go back to your home screen. Click into Settings. Now type in YouTube here, search, click on App Info under YouTube. Alright, on this page here you want to scroll down, and where it says picture in picture, on mine it says not allowed. So click into that, toggle allow picture in picture to on, and there you go. That's how you allow picture in picture mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.